Are you looking for opportunities to empower your healthcare or health promotion team to become more knowledgeable in serving people with disabilities? This fall, the Center for Health Equity at Indiana University will offer workshops in Indianapolis, Gary, and New Albany. The afternoon workshop will focus on promoting optimal health outcomes for people with disabilities. The workshop is tailored to healthcare, health promotion, and health education professionals. This is important because according to the CDC, more than 25% of adults in Indiana have some type of disability. This means 1 in 4 Hoosiers have some type of disability that impacts major life activities such as difficulty seeing, hearing, walking, concentrating, remembering, or completing daily living tasks. Although more than 1.5 million Hoosiers have a disability, many health professionals are unfamiliar with the most effective ways to meet the needs of this population, and this can be a challenge for a person with a disability in achieving their optimal health. Given the number of Hoosiers with disabilities and the desire of making healthcare more accessible for everyone, it is important to understand how to best accommodate and effectively communicate with people with disabilities. This 3-hour workshop will cover the current landscape for disability and health in Indiana, common barriers experienced by people with disabilities in healthcare or health promotion settings, and disability awareness, sensitivity, and effective communication. By attending this workshop, you will gain new insight and be better prepared to help people with disabilities obtain their optimal health goals. When accessing health care and wellness services, people with disabilities report needing extra time when filling out health forms and membership applications, direct communication with professionals, and plain and easy to understand information and materials, as well as wanting to be included in community health activities. Our presenters for the workshop include Dr. Amy Shaker. Dr. Shaker is a sought-after speaker and trainer on diversity and inclusive practices for organizations and other community groups. She will address disability sensitivity, awareness, and effective communication, bringing in her personal experiences. Dr. Jay Chul Lee is the director of the Center for Health Equity at the Indiana Institute on Disability and Community. He will address the disparities in health status, health outcomes, and health promotion for Hoosiers with disabilities. And a panel of Hoosiers with disabilities from the community will share their firsthand experiences in accessing and using healthcare services and health promotion activities. Visit the Center for Health Equity's website for more information on the Fall Optimal Health for All workshop series. The Center for Health Equity at Indiana University is a Category 1 continuing education provider for professions licensed in Indiana. Continuing education credits are available at no cost.